Friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to see how to make a cookie cup. It's one of favorite cookie dessert and easy to make. The kids love this cookie cup and it's so easy to make at home with any favorite topping you want. All you need a half cup butter, half cup sugar, half cup brown sugar. You can use a light or dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup semi-sweet chocolate chip. You can use any type of chocolate chips, 1 egg, one 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking soda, today I'm using Nutella for my filling, and you can use any favorite filling like a peanut butter or anything. So in the big bowl I'm just soften the butter. So when you keep the butter in the room temperature, it will naturally be soft to the room temperature, so it is easy to mix. Just add the white sugar and try to mix all together. Now I'm adding the brown sugar. I'm keep mixing until we find that pale whitish sugar creamy texture. So we're going to keep mix. Today I'm just using the wooden spoon, so it is really easy to mix. You can mix about 5 to 10 minutes until you form that sugar pale color. Now I'm just adding the 1 egg. So I'm just keep mix. It's a simple recipe, but it's really easy to make it at home with your kids. So it's really unique cookie cup, and you can fill the cookie cup with your favorite filling. So friend, before I combine the dry ingredient is a flour, baking soda, salt. I give a nice mix with a spoon, and I'm going to add it to the wet ingredient. Now I'm just add the vanilla extract and give a mix. So it's really give nice flavor. Now we can add that flour that is a baking soda, salt and all-purpose flour, and add it adding little bit at one time, and then you can keep mix the wet ingredient with the dry ingredient. So this is help prevent any lumps or any unwell mix. So keep adding little bit at time and slowly gradually mix that the batter and the flour. Once you keep adding little bit at time, it's really give a nice consistency. Now I'm adding the chocolate chip with the flour, so it's really help to that chocolate chip stick with the cookie dough together. So it's nicely together once you keep mixing. So keep mix until you form the cookie dough consistent. Once it's ready, we're going to keep aside, and you can scrape it all in the bottom. Now it's totally ready. You can see it's completely ready, the cookie dough. So we're going to keep mixing until we find that the right consistent. Friend, meanwhile, please keep it your mini cupcake cookie tray. So this is the cookie tray. I just fill up about the lemon size cookie dough, about 2 tablespoon cookie dough each cookie cup. So bowl, and then I'm using one cylinder or press it down to make that cup hole in this cookie. So it's going to be formed like a small cup, and we're going to keep repeating until we form that the cup shape in each the hole, the baking cup. So it's going to quick and easy. Keep repeating, and it's really fun to do with the kids, so they can play. It's like they play like a play-doh. It's like we're going to shape that cup shape while we adding in the cookie, the cupcakes, small tiny cupcake tray. So I just add some small cupcake paper, and I fill with the beans. You can use any type beans, so I'm using the black beans today. What is the purpose? Is this going to hold that spot or space while we baking. Friend, once you add everything ready, so we already preheat the oven. It's a 325. This cookie is going to be baked so quickly. It just take about 8 to 10 minutes. It's really sufficient. It's really browning so fast. Then after we bake, you can see it's nicely golden brown in the edge. So it's totally take about 8 to 10 minutes to completely cook, and you can see that the beans really give that gravity, is hold that space, because it's really not make that cookie raise in the middle. Because we add that baking soda, it's definitely going to double the size of the cookie, but because we hold that space in the middle, that really help that cookie hold the space. And it's really soft and really soft inside and very nice crunchy outside. So we're going to fill any favorite filling, like today I'm planning have that Nutella and peanut butter. So my kids like that two type of filling. So you always can use any type of filling, either cream cheese or even you can put the buttercream inside, or you can put any favorite fillings inside the cookie cup. Once you had in the Ziploc bag, today I'm just using the Ziploc bag. If you have the piping, you can make like a flower or any, but today I just make simple and elegant, and I just fill that cookie cup with the Nutella filling. So once it's ready, now it's ready, and you always can decorate with any favorite toppings, like this is M&M egg, and it's have a peanut inside, and it's like a shell, it's like egg, and this basically we want to give the gift for our friend for the Easter. So it's come out so cute, and it's like a Easter basket. Is a simple concept. Easter basket is so delicious. The filling so yummy with the soft and chewy cookie cup, and the peanut egg is so cute, and definitely this is a kid's favorite cookie cups. So again, you can make this different type of cookie cup with the different fillings. The first tips, you need to last that chocolate chip inside the cookie dough, because it's really hold that spot. So now I'm just showing that how it's look after we cut it inside, and you can see that because we made that the tricks and tips while we bake with the hold that spot. So that's really give that a nice room to the filling. Many times we baked have the bad experience, because while we bake, because we using the baking soda or baking powder, is really raising the cookie cup and is really take all that spot. So this is only chance while preventing to hold that spot or space while we baking. So only you can do this method, and definitely you never be fail to bake this perfect cookie cups at home. So again, you can make for the Easter, or you can make for the birthday party. Kids love this cookie cup, and definitely it's a party favor. And of course, you can make this amazing cookie cup for your school charity party or any school event. I hope you enjoy another recipe and perfect cookie cup from our channel. Thank you.